Hi everyone, welcome to Madam E YouTube channel. Today we're gonna change. I'm gonna show you how to change my filter of my Mercedes C300 2009. This is how to change, to replace and check your air filter. And I'm gonna show you how. First, we're gonna open it with this red lever here on the driver's side with the steering wheel. I'm gonna open that, and then here guys, we're gonna open the hood, and there is the filter. This is the filter guys. We're gonna open this filter. First, we're gonna remove this. This is a front guys, and you have to remove the click there. You have to unclick guys, and then remove this 1 2 3 hose guys. Remove that and remove this. We can just disconnect this one, 3 of them guys. You can just disconnect it. It's easy to disconnect guys. I hope it's oh all right, there you go. And we have to remove this side, the right side. Have to there you go. It's easy guys. Just remove that there, and make sure don't. And this is easy guys, just pull this one up. All right, okay, we can just put it on the floor, but we have to put my dad is there. I have to show my dad how to change my filter guys. First, we're gonna do this so it doesn't scratch it. Okay, there, so it doesn't scratch your filter. This is the filter guys. You have to unscrew this 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 3 4 those, and you can see here the filter already guys once you open this one. The reason why I'm checking my filter guys, because it's summertime and I'm planning to have a long trip, a long travel, so I can use my filter, clean air. Okay, seems like it's still clean guys. I changed it last year, but let's see the whole thing if we need to change it guys and replace a new one, because it's pollen season guys, and the pollen bothers me every time I go out. And look at this thick pollen guys, they're everywhere. They're everywhere in a car. So when you have a long travel guys, this one gonna make me sick if I don't take the allergy medicine. Even though I take the allergy medicine guys, I can still feel it in my eyes and nose. See this one guys, that's a pollen guys from the flowers and leaves. Alright guys, let's see if we could find the right tools for that to open it guys. We're looking for the right tools to open that. Four screws. Okay, I guess we found the right tools guys. This is so surprised he's still clean. Just remove this one, guys, and need to be changed. Yeah, it's dirty, guys. We need to be changed, guys. I need to check by Alright, guys, I opened the other one. This is the filter of this, and I need to clean this one, guys. This is how you clean your air filter, and you're gonna do the same thing with this other. You have to do the same thing. You're gonna open 4 of them. One, three, 4. This is the right one, guys. The filter is from left and right. So let's check the right one, guys, because I already checked the left. It's dirty. Okay, now there's a filter, guys. We're just gonna remove this. Ooh, it's dirty, guys. We're just gonna replace, but I'll just gonna show you right now that we need to be changed and clean this one, guys. Okay, now we have to clean it inside the house. Make sure it's clean. Put it back, or if you wanna replace a new one, guys, you can do that. Change, check, and replace the filter, guys. Or clean, just clean, guys. Alright. So you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. See how dirty that, guys. Okay. I just use the soft brush, guys, and brush the pollen, guys. The pollen and the dust. Okay, I clean it good. It looks like new. Hello, morning. Okay. Now I clean this one, guys, with water. Now I'm drying it before I put it on, guys. Be careful of this one, guys, because this one is soft. Don't break that. Just do it gently, guys. Dry it gently. Okay. And the same thing on the inside. You have to dry it gently. Alright. Is it clean now? Okay, guys. Now it's clean. We're gonna dry it first, guys, before we put everything back. Now it's time to put it back, guys. I clean this one with the cold water and then dry it, guys. Make sure it's dry. and not wash it with, don't wash it with hot water. And then before you close it and put it everything, guys, make sure it's see, I told you. Okay, I like to do everything for myself. I like DIYs, guys. I can afford to ask them to change, guys, from the mechanic, but I'd rather like to do it myself so I could learn myself. And you know, one more thing is to save money, guys. Now we're gonna put it back. We're gonna put everything back, guys. All right. Where is the front? I guess this one is the front, guys. There is the, oops, not that one. This one. This one is the left. And we can put back, guys. We can screw them back like a Lego. Whoops, say. The other one. Okay. See, it's just like a Lego, guys. You cannot be mistaken, guys, that is the wrong side because they have the right spot. See? There you go. Alright, we can put it back, guys. Time to put it back. Time to screw them back. Okay. I'm just gonna let my dad to do the work. Alright, time to do the work. Time to put it back, guys. So I'm gonna change the filter, guys, tomorrow, since I didn't buy the filter yet. So at least I know that the filter is already time to change, guys, due to the pollen. Alright, I can help my dad to screw a little bit there. Okay. And I clean up this space in here. Okay. Time to put it back. I have to do it slowly, guys. I don't want to break anything. We're gonna go itself, guys. This is the right spot. Okay. Make sure that there's a space for that slot there, guys. You have to make sure that you can put that. Okay. Okay, wait, hold on. Oh, this one is blocking that one. So there are 3 holes that you have to put it back. This one. And make sure one is there. Okay. My dad is just watching me, guys. Make sure that we don't need to break anything of those. I have to do it slowly. But surely. I already did, guys, before. I have to just be patient, guys, until it's gonna go down. See that, guys? There you go. See this, guys? Make sure, guys, this one gonna clip. See this? Clip. With this clip, guys, make sure that's clip in there. Push it and push it there. Now we're gonna put the hose, guys. Alright, this hose here. Okay. this one you can just push it like that to fit. There you go. Push. There you go. That's it. And then the other one, guys. Okay. Make sure that this one gonna stick in the right spot. There you go. Like a Lego. And push this, guys. Push back. Okay, that's how you check your air filter of the Mercedes-Benz C300, guys. And make sure this one is in there in the right spot. So it is not fit there, guys. Make sure this one is in the right spot. Hold on. Okay, I guess that's it. Yeah, it's in, guys. Okay, that's it. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. If you like my video, guys, and if I show you the right thing, and please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click that bell button for your next notification, guys, for my Mercedes C300 2009 race. I almost crushed it, guys. I forgot to put this one, guys. Sorry. Okay. That's it. that's the one that I'm looking for, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, guys. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Am I done yet? Yes. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.